Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Pre-Kindergarten Education exam? This is Praxis test code 5531. In this video, we'll focus on the teaching and learning content area, which assesses your proficiency in instructional methods and techniques tailored to pre-kindergarten children. Let's dive into the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Question number 1. A preschool teacher has been discussing the different seasons with her class. She wants them to hear information directly from an expert in the field to discuss how the weather changes during the seasons. So she invites a local meteorologist to be a guest speaker. This type of instructional strategy is best known as which of the following? Interactive instruction, collaborative instruction, expository instruction, or hands-on instruction. Interactive instruction involves active engagement between students and teachers, not just listening to a speaker. Collaborative instruction focuses on students working together, which is not the case here. Hands-on instruction involves students actively doing something, which also does not apply in this case. The correct answer is expository instruction, where information is presented directly to students by an expert or teacher, such as a guest speaker discussing seasonal weather changes. Question number 2. The difference between the tasks that an individual can accomplish alone and the tasks that they can accomplish only with the assistance of a more advanced other represents the learner's actual development level, learning opportunity, point of disequilibrium, or zone of proximal development. The actual development level refers to what a learner can do independently. A learning opportunity is a general term for any chance to gain new knowledge or skills. The point of disequilibrium refers to a state of cognitive imbalance. The correct term for the difference between the tasks an individual can accomplish alone and those they can accomplish with assistance is the zone of proximal development. This concept highlights the potential for learning with guidance. Question number 3. After you have collected and analyzed a recent assessment, you determined that 4 students are still struggling with a part of the lesson. How could you effectively reteach that part of the lesson? Create a mini lesson that would target an area where the students demonstrated weakness and reteach it to the whole class. Since you identified a fairly small group of students, conduct small group sessions ranging from 15 to 20 minutes of targeted skills instruction, as often per week as necessary until mastery is demonstrated. Don't reteach the lesson. Give the assessment to the class again and inform them that they need to do their best or their grade will suffer. Or do nothing at all. Either they get it or they don't. Reteaching the lesson to the whole class isn't efficient for addressing the needs of a few students. Not reteaching and merely informing students that their grades will suffer isn't supportive or effective. Doing nothing at all disregards the educational needs of the students. The most effective method is to conduct small group sessions of targeted skills instruction until mastery is demonstrated. This approach allows for focused, personalized instruction to address specific areas of difficulty. Question number 4. Using the principle of scaffolding involves which of the following? Providing clues to guide a student through problem solving. Grouping two students of the same cognitive level together to solve a problem. Providing the answers to all homework questions in advance of the assignment. Or allowing the students to use trial and error methods to solve a problem. Grouping two students of the same cognitive level together to solve a problem is collaborative learning, not scaffolding. Providing the answers to all homework questions in advance does not align with scaffolding principles either. Allowing the students to use trial and error methods is more about independent problem solving. Using the principle of scaffolding involves providing clues to guide a student through problem solving. This method supports students as they develop new skills and gradually reduces assistance as they become more proficient. I hope this video has provided clarity on the types of questions you'll encounter in the Teaching and Learning section of the Praxis 5531 exam. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With study.com's support, you'll be well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck with your preparations and your exam. Bye for now.